Check out all these boxes I got for this Leitner bed rack kit I'm putting together. Gear bags, I got the bed rack itself right there forged. Looks like you got some, I don't know, some racks that go across. I got boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes galore. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Sir Leitner sent me all of this bed rack kit to put on my F-150. And I kind of want my garage back, so I thought it'd be a good Saturday project to install this and show you guys what it's like to put it on. Now, I've put on tonneau covers. I've never done a bed rack though, and I have never done like a bed cap. So let's try the bed rack this time and see how I like it on this F-150. Yeah, because something new. So this is our, well, review vehicle. This time I bought an F-150 EcoBoost. This is the 6.5 foot bed. So it'll be interesting to see what this bed rack looks like on top of this one. 6.5 foot bed, do some camping this summer, so I wanted to do the bed rack with some storage bags. So put the stuff in storage bed in the bags instead of putting it in the camper, kind of, you know, move some gear around. Just a quick update as we're unpacking. They get an A+ for making sure everything's secure in here. Tons of packing paper. Everything's wrapped and then wrapped again and secure. So
some parts are even taped down to the bottom of the box.
Yeah, some parts like these were taped down to the bottom of the box. So they get an A+ for packaging. So no worries about it arriving damaged. I don't think it's possible, even with UPS and different things that get damaged in shipping. It is quite impressive. Okay, so here's what we got. We got some racks to go across. We got another rack that goes across, I believe. The load bar, yeah, it was load bar kit that said, yeah, fixed load hardware, load bars, weather stripping. We have the HydroPod. We have pieces of hardware, and we have gear bags, three gear bags, and then yeah, the box opens and the gear bags go in the large box. So pretty simple when you get it all open as far as what it looks like. It's just going to be a rack that goes on top, and then those things go on the side, and that thing goes on that side. Yeah, you don't have a whole lot of
I never have a whole lot of faith. If we say it's going to take 2 hours, it's going to take 2 days.
Yeah, the deck door system took us a week because we had to get some new screws.
We had to get new screws. So anything's possible.
Yeah, this could be a minute. All right, here we go. Okay, it's been a little bit, and we're taking a little break. So we got the sides on. They bolt together. These racks bolt together and go down the line. And then they have a system here that attaches to the truck bed as far as you tighten those down. And a little piece that attaches underneath, you see a little piece there, spreads apart as far as spreads the pressure point against the bottom of the bed and holds pretty tight. Once you get these all screwed together, they're bolted together, it really sturdy, really sturdy. I wanted to move these around a little bit, get these bars perfectly lined up because I missed a little bit, and it's tight, very tight. So we're gonna work on next accessories to line up once we go through these different instruction manuals, like our HydroPod, Starlink mini mount, the box, and get these things installed on the sides and finish wrapping things up here. So I'll take a little break though, because yeah, sun came out a little hot out here, so break time.
So before we get to the finished install, I thought let's answer the question, how much does this stuff cost if you were to purchase it? So Leitner Designs is the website, and it's pretty interesting. I actually have a photo kind of what we did. So you can add different accessories once you get this ACS rack built, and it's pretty, yeah, usable as far as building your own thing. You can add the deck system, drawer system, which you've done in other trucks. You can add tonneau covers, you have max storage. It's a pretty interesting setup to allow you to add more stuff to your truck. So I thought it pretty interesting, frankly, when we started looking through different ideas. Wife and I did some shopping on the website before we told them what we wanted to do. And we may buy some more stuff because you can do the roof rack, you can kind of build stuff out. But what we did was we went with the ACS truck bed rack. So you have to do this first, and you have to select the style of truck you have. They make a drill or non-drill version as far as permanent setup. So we did the Ford, and then there's your cargo system. So About $2,000 for the active cargo system. And then you have cargo system with tonneau and cargo system with no drill. So no drill for us was $2,000. And so that's just kind of the bare bones skeleton version of what you get. And then you add your accessories to it. So you go to set accessories. You can buy your platform accessories. You're going around that stuff too. So looking at platform accessories, that GearPod XL, which is that big box we have on the side, that's $759. Then you can add the individual gear, or you do individual gear pods, GearPod Dual or GearPod XL. The XL holds 3 bags. You have the bike mount you can add as well, gatekeepers, headbangers, bike trays. We did that rack shower kit, and it was interesting. I was talking with the PR person about this, and he was talking about how a lot of people don't really want to do that right away, but they tend to like it. In that it becomes more useful than you think, is what his viewpoint was, is that people are like, oh, I don't need that, but you tend to use it more than you think. So it'll be interesting to see, like over the course of summer, how much we use that. We did get the gear bags because we thought we could put these gear bags inside of this gear pod, which I'll show you that in a minute. And then we have some tags, but you can use universal mounting plates. Really can build this out kind of how you want to. Yeah, it's a couple $1,000 by the time you get it all attached and done and put it all together. So when you look at different designs, now people have used it as far as on their trucks, it's pretty useful. It's pretty interesting when you get it, you get the base set up, then you add stuff on top. You can add more storage up there. You can add a rooftop tent if you want. You can add kayaks and things, or you can just leave it as it is for just storage. It'll be interesting to see if we add more stuff to it or not. It doesn't weigh a whole lot. It's not worried about losing as far as towing capacity. Everything is forged. It's aluminum as far as aluminum alloy, upright supports, bolts pretty well. It's a pretty interesting system they got going on here. So it's, yeah, interesting. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the video and see how it all turned out in real life.
All right, here we go. We just finished it up. Yes, we got the bed rack all installed, the ACS 6.5 foot bed rack for our Ford F-150. So we decided to add some accessories on the one side. Haven't quite decided to do on the other side. They have a bike rack holder on the one side we can add to it as well. We haven't done anything with that yet. We'll decide as we use this. So we have a 4.5 gallon, it's a portable shower unit, but we also use it for, say, at the beach, washing our, feet off after the day in the sand or whatever. It's got a 20-foot hose here that you can stretch out to and use for water. And then we have these bins, or these little, we have basically a holder here. And then we have these bins inside these bags. So the holder is waterproof the best they can. It's not perfectly waterproof, but you can see they have a seal. They've done the best job they can to get this waterproof. Then they have these bags that have another seal to them as well. So it should be pretty well protected from dirt and water. And then the bins fit in there, and you close it, and then you can tighten it down there. Then I have a key to lock this as well. And then here we have little pockets that are portable for storage. Here you can take these off, so use it as a personal care bag as well for storage. And then you have little signs you can put on these as well. So you can actually do toiletries, tools, tire repair, whatever, and storage bins there too. And then on top, there's a weather stripping goes on top, so you can put stuff on top like a kayak and things without damaging it on top and carry what you want. So pretty cool setup. The wife says it looks like more of a work truck now than the truck we had before, but I think it looks pretty useful. Yeah. So that's what I have for you on this Leitner rack. All right, what do you guys think of this? Do you think it's pretty cool, or do you think it looks more work truck than it should? Like I said, I've had tonneau covers, I've had deck drawer systems, I've had different things. Thought we'd give this a try something new on the channel, see what you guys think. Put your comments down below, be curious, get your thoughts on this bed rack system from Leitner. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.